Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank those of you who have taken the time to take this opportunity. Okay, before I begin, let me introduce myself. I am Vicky Y. Firmansyah, can be called Vicky. I'm an Islamic student at University Islam Malang in Islamic Study Program. Okay, our topic today in Islamic religious education among students today, I will be describe the meaning of it in Islamic religious education. In the introduction of the paper, the author revealed how Islamic religious education has not been able to become a problem solver for the problem faced by Indonesian nation, and has even lost its relevance. Islam has not been able to become the glue for its own people or for the Indonesia nation. This raises a question: what's wrong with Islam religious education, especially in public university? Okay, talking about the problem of Islamic student in Terper Institute, at the last, there are questions that need to be pondered together. Is Islam student as a scientific object like other discipline, or the Islam used as a reference for a view of life or creed for studying and living life? Okay, Dr. Komarudin Hidayat, in his introduction to the textbook of Islam religious education at a public university, reveals that there are problems in Islamic religious education, one of which is the wrong of the insecure orientation of Islam religion education. Furthermore, Komarudin stated 3 things which were considered as indicator of the error in question, namely, first, religious education is country more oriented toward learning about religious knowledge. Therefore, it is not surprising that in the country there is often someone who know a lot about value of religion's teaching. Second, it does not have a strategy for the prepare and select religious education materially, so what there are often no principle. There should be taught early. Instead, they are overlooked. Third, the lack of the broad and in-depth explanation of the lack of the semantic and generic mastery of the key and main term in religious teaching. So, there's often found explanation that are very far and different from the meaning, spirit, and context. And other problem with Islamic education, according to the author, experience for approximately 2 years to lecture in Islamic religious education at the private university are: 1. The low understanding of the majority of students toward Islamic value and teaching. This is evident a several way, such as not being able to read the Quran properly, not being able to distinguish something that's obligatory or sunnah according to the law, and the other. This shows the Islamic education at the previous level are not being maximally provided by the authors, with the low understanding of the student and the cultivation of religions, value, and teaching at the tertiary level in insecurity difficult. Number 2, inadequate competence of the Islamic religious lecturer, especially in private university. Even took the lecturer hold a control core or core of the implementation of Islam religious education in the tertiary institution. According to the author, a lecturer in Islam is not only someone who have graduated from a religious college, but what is more important is mastery of the science of the religious and its branch. Thus, a lecturer can distinguish which are purposely or not to teach as steadily be Komarudin above. Okay, according to the author opinion, at least the lecturer Islam meet the following requirement: A. Have a good personality. B. Has broad religious knowledge and national insight. And C. Professional in caring about the truth. And D. Have a good learning strategy. And last E. Have a high social life. Okay, number 3 is the portion of studying religious courses is very small. This can be seen early by the profits of this course only in the first semester and only with 2 credits. With a short time, it will be very difficult for a university to produce what is won from this course. It is history of the Islam. There are big names such Abu Bakar as-Siddiq, Umar bin Khattab, Utsman bin Affan, Ali bin Abi Thalib, and a number of the other names. His name is able to become extraordinary human being thanks to direct education from the Prophet Muhammad in a lot of time. At least they have studied Islam for a affair of 30 years. What about study in university who only study in 1 semester? Okay, thank you of R for listening. It can be concluded that there are things that are considered an indicator of error are first, religious education are currently more oriented toward learning about religious knowledge, and therefore it is not surprising that in this country there is often something we know a lot of about the values of religion teaching, but their behavior does not reflect a religious value they know. Secondly, they lack a broad and deep understanding of the study themes. Okay, will be finish this presentation. Are there any question? I think it's enough for this presentation. More or less, I apologize and thank you. Hopefully full the knowledge we just heard can be used. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.